Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Let us first have a look at yesterday's vocabulary once. So this is a bayt, this is masjid, this is bab, this is kitab, qalam, miftah, okay, maktab, sarir, kursi, bayt, qamis, kursi, qalam, najm, miftah, kitab, qalam, bab, bayt and kursi. Here is masjid, qalam, qamis, najm. Now we are going to start the new vocabulary and the new grammar. So yesterday we saw, we also saw that haza means this. We saw that ma means what? Ma haza, what is this? We saw if we add alif in the beginning of the sentence, then that means question. This is what we studied yesterday. Now today our topic is man haza. So yesterday we saw ma haza, which means what is this? Today we are seeing man haza. Who is this? So you can see man haza tabibun. Who is this? This is a doctor. So ma is used for things and man is used for person, right? So man haza, this is a person, so haza tabibun. Man haza waladun. Okay, tabib means doctor, walad means boy. Okay, now man haza, who is this? Haza talibun. What would this be? Student. Haza talibun. Ahaza waladun. Is this a boy? Now we see now this person has a long beard, so it must not be a boy, it must be a man. La, no. Haza rajulun. This is a man. It's not a boy, it's a man. Okay, so tabib, walad, talib and rajul. Ma haza, what is this? Now we are very quickly we covered man haza, we are back to ma haza. Okay, so ma haza masjidun. Now man haza, who is this person? This person seems to be selling some stuff, so he's a shopkeeper or he's a businessman. We say tajir. Haza tajirun. This is a dog, so haza kalbun. Okay, ahaza kalbun, is this a dog? La, haza qittun. Okay, qittun, English word kitty. Okay, qittun, kitty, derived from qittun. La haza qittun. Haza himarun. What is this? A donkey. Haza himarun. This is a donkey. Now here, haza himarun, is this one a donkey? La, no. This one is a horse. Haza hisanun. Okay. Next one. Wa ma haza, and what is this? Okay, wa means and. Okay, so wa ma haza, and what is this? Haza jamalun. Okay, this is a camel. Now interesting thing, if you know a little bit of Arabic, then jamil means beautiful, and hasin means beautiful as well. And Arabs find camel and horses beautiful. Therefore jamal, hisan. Jamal from jamil, hisan from hasin. So in this page we saw masjid, tajir, kalb, qittun or qitt. We saw himar, we saw hisan, and we saw jamal. Now this one, ma haza, what is this? This is a rooster. Okay, haza deekun. Okay, deekun. Now next one, man haza, or a scientist. No, teacher. Okay, sorry, I thought he's conducting some chemical experiments. Haza mudarrisun. He's a teacher. He's not a scientist, he's a teacher. Man haza, who is this? Haza teacher. Now the next one, haza qamistun. Is this a qamis? Qamis means what? Shirt. Is this a qamis? La, no. So this is not a shirt. What is this? Haza mindilun. Handkerchief. This is a mindilun. Okay, yesterday we discussed that we put, for example, if there is this word deek, then deekun, we put double dhamma, double pesh on every ism. Right now we are putting it on every ism, but it will not be always so. There will be some reasons when this deekun will become deekan. There will be some reasons when this deekun will become deekin. There will be some reasons when this deekun will become just deeku. So deeku, deeka, deeki, deekun, deekan, deekin, all of these are possible, but when these changes will occur, we will see later on. Now iqra wa uktub, read and write. So this is a portion where we reassess our vocabulary and sentences without the symbols. So ma haza, you should read these ism, like qalamun. You should read qalamun, because when you read stuffs without the symbols, it tends to stay in your memory more. Next one, haza, what is this? Kalbun. Man haza? Haza tabibun. Okay. Now what does this mean? Tabib is doctor. Kalb is dog. Qalam means pen. Haza jamalun. Okay. Jamal means camel. Ahaza kalbun. Is this a dog? La. No. Haza qittun. No, this is a kitty. Ahaza dikun. Is this a rooster? Naam. Yes. Ahaza hisanun. La. Haza himarun. Is this a horse? No, this is a donkey. Why are you calling this donkey a horse? Haza mindilun. This is a handkerchief. Ahaza waladun. Is this a boy? Naam. Yes. Man haza. Who is this? Haza rajulun. This is a rajul. This is a man. Now we are at lesson 2 now. Wow. Very good. So lesson 2. This is about zalika. So yesterday we were doing haza means this. Zalika means that. Okay, this and that. So zalika, ma zalika. What is this? What is that? Okay, ma zalika. What is that? Ma haza. What is this? Ma zalika. What is that? Zalika najmun. That is a star. So something far away, star is far away, you won't say haza star, you will say zalika star, zalika najmun. Haza masjidun. Now this masjid must be closed. Haza masjidun. This is a masjid. Wa zalika baytun. You see, this bayt is far away. So zalika baytun. That is a house. This is a masjid, that is a house. Haza hisanun. This is a horse. Wa zalika himarun. And that is a donkey. Azalika qittun. Azalika kalbun. Is that a kalb? Is that a dog? La. Zalika qittun. No, that is a qitt. That is a qittun means kitty. Ma zalika. What is that? Looks like a sarir. Zalika sarirun. Man haza. Who is that? Wa man zalika. Okay, interesting. You see, they are combining the sentences now. Man haza. Who is this? Wa man zalika. And who is that? Who is this and who is that? Haza mudarrisun wa zalika imamun. This is a teacher and that is a imam. Good one. Ma zalika. What is that? Zalika hajarun. That is a patthar. Stone. That is a stone. Sorry. So Hajar Aswad. Okay, you must have heard about Hajar al Aswad, the black stone. Hajar means it means stone. So Hajar. So here is that is a white stone. Haza sukkarun. Sukkar. What do you think this is? English? Any related English word? Sugar. Okay. In Hindi as well. Sakkar. Sakkar. Sukkar and sugar, all of these are the same words. Haza sukkarun wa zalika labnun. You see this labn? This is a milk. Okay, this is a bottle of milk. So zalika labnun, milk. Labn is milk. So haza sukkarun wa zalika labnun. And this is the last page for chapter 2 as well. Great. Tamreen, exercise. Iqra ba uktub. Let's read and write. Haza, what is this? You have to read. Sukkarun wa zalika labanun. Okay. Man zalika. What is that? Who is that? Man is who. Okay. It's not what. What is ma? Man is who. Who is that? Zalika imamun. That is an imam. Azalika qittun. Is that a qitt? Is that a cat? La. Zalika qalbun. That is a dog. Ma haza. What is that? Haza hajarun. That is a hajar. That is a stone. Al kalimatu al jadidiyatu. The recent words. Okay. Imamun, hajarun, sukkarun, labnun. They're just telling us what new recent words we learned. So that's it for today. Tomorrow we will go with this. Ad-darsu salasatu. So we will go with this tomorrow, inshallah. Wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alamin. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.